Right then, welcome back to the channel, and we've got something a little bit different today. Rob says we do something a little bit different every video, but we like to mix it up for you. After we've had quite a few emails on a specific part number for a silicone tip pipe, we're gonna have one made. So this is a bit of a behind the scenes video and the process of how we make silicones. So we've got the part, we've got the jig, and now we're gonna head down to our UK silicone supplier and get one made up. So we've just arrived, we're just about to head in. It's the first time myself and Rob have come here, so it'll be interesting to see how our own silicones are manufactured. And then I think while I'm inside doing some filming, you're gonna nip to another supplier close by to pick up some other bits.
Yeah, Danny's trusting with his car, so hopefully I make it there and back.
Well, driving it on road, not off road, so I feel a little bit safer. And then obviously while we're here as well, we've got plenty of silicones to pick up and take back for orders. So I suppose let's head inside and have a look at that. A fresh loaf of bread. So that's it, new silicone has been produced, ready to test fit on a car. So we're just going to do a bit more filming while we're here, pick up all these Darkside silicones that just need finishing off, and then we'll head back to the unit. So we've seen how the professionals do it, but I'm going to give it a go myself now. So we've got some pre-cut silicone laid out for me. I didn't trust myself cutting it to length. See how this goes. So this is step number one. Got to make sure it's dry. Learned that already. Why is it not sticking? Is it supposed to just... Oh. There we go. Failed at first hurdle, Rob. I've just watched him do about 10 of these, so should know what I'm doing. Definitely made this look right easy. I'm glad this one's not going to a customer. I don't actually know what you're gripping onto. It's definitely harder than it looks. It's not that bad, is it?
Yeah, so you can feel where it's overlapped all the way around. It still needs a slight overlap all the way around the edge.
Right. Layer number 1 done. It's harder than it looks. This is embarrassing, this one.
Yeah, the problem is you're making the hose probably too short. But
This might be a short leg silicone, this one. Right, tape time. This is the easy bit. How tight? Quite tight.
you want to be fairly tight, yeah, because you need to squeeze
Get
all
the air out. And how much are you overlapping? Like half or?
This time, this will all come off anyway, so you don't need so much on. Because all you're doing there is squeezing all the air and any imperfections out of it. Then you smooth it down, and then that comes off, and then you need to tape it with the heat shrink, and then tape it with that again. So each hose gets taped 3 times. Yeah, that one's not so bad. Put the logos on. It's supposed to say record.
Very funny man. Oh, nearly lost it then. If I put my initials in it, will it come through on when you bake it or not?
No, not really.
Do we have any offcuts of colour? Just put a red strip round it, just so viewers know that when it actually comes back to us, it's the same one. Right, that's it. Mine. That's mine. And then we'll let all lads in dispatch laugh at it when it comes.
That one does stretch quite easy.
Do you not want it to stretch? You just.
No, you don't want it to actually stretch. You want it as quite close together.
I feel like there's a pun in here telling people to remember to wrap up.
So that's what will give the nice finish on the hoses.
Not this one.
This will keep all the silicone basically held into the tub.
So this is what you were saying earlier, when there's a bit of a ridge, I can feel it like moving down, it's like slipping about a bit.
Yeah.
So it's a bit harder when you get to like this bit for it to stay in right place.
Yeah, it's harder to take kind of up a reducer.
Oh no. Can't even use tape properly.
Put it inside.
What, just tie it like back on itself?
Yeah.
Like that, or does it need another one?
No, that should be fine, yeah.
That's it. I'd like to say easier than that, but it were actually quite hard. So I'm guessing this will go in the oven with next batch of silicons, and then we'll get this in another postal order in the next few days or next week.
I can get it sent out tomorrow.
And then we'll have a look what this actually looks like finished. Maybe we'll send it to a lucky viewer who wants this silicon. Comment below and we'll pick one of people in comments and we'll just send you a random silicon. You can have it free of charge. Right, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
So we're just about to head back. We've got the goods, so that's the original and that's the silicon, so we need to get that test fitted onto a car, make sure it fits all right. But yeah, really nice set of lads. Obviously it's good that we're keeping stuff within the UK. Really interesting to see how the manufacturing of silicons is actually done. I think actually giving it a go myself has found a bit of a newfound appreciation for what goes into silicons. I never knew kind of how much manual input goes into this. I imagine a lot of people didn't. So yeah, really interesting, sound set of lads. I think the next bit of this video will be in a couple of days' time when we actually get my own silicon back in a delivery, and we'll see how bad that comes out. But yeah, like I said, make sure you comment below and we'll just pick one person at random and you can have a free 90-degree silicon. So we'll head back to work and actually get some work done.
Get some food on way, 'cause I'm starving.
Yeah, Mackies. Right. So we've just had a delivery. My silicon's arrived. So we're going to head over to dispatch and we're going to get a reaction from lads that normally send out orders with silicons so they know what a good silicon should look like and get them to rate what my silicon looks like. So I'm intrigued to what it's come out oven like. See, where's my silicon?
It's rubbish.
What do you mean it's rubbish? Oh, yes. Oh, it's better than I thought. I'm going to show you all.
Make a better one out of it.
No, for video, you need to rate it out of 10.
I've seen it now, I was going to say it's rubbish. Go another one, shot.
No, honest opinion.
Cool.
Go on. Out of 10.
It's got a red stripe.
Out of 10.
3.
3 out of 10.
No, I think you've been a bit harsh.
You've been harsh.
No, it's pretty good.
Cool.
7.
Thank you. Would you be happy sending it to a customer?
No, because it's inside there, look. The customer will complain about the inside of that silicon. If you look, it's like 7.
7. I'm happy with 2 7s.
A few marks on outside.
I like how everyone's turned into like a silicon expert now.
I got 6.
6.
Maybe 7.5 if it didn't have that red stripe, so I could send it out.
It's internal.
You're like Simon Cowell, you're ass one.
Internal.
You need to compare it to a professional one.
Come on, Max. Rate my silicon.
With that.
Jules Webster, what's he missing?
What are you doing in the middle?
Just silicon, surely.
6.
6? You're supposed to be my brother.
It's scratched.
You're supposed to be biased.
It's scratched.
Can't believe it. You didn't even give me higher than a 6.
I would have that at Polo.
Yeah,
that way.
yeah, compare it to
I would have that at Polo.
Look at weaves. Look at weaves in it. Look at gaps between them. Look at cracks here. And then they're all equal. Look nice. Solid bit.
Jason. Rate my silicon.
Did you get this from? Knackered.
Knackered?
Knackered.
What do you mean it's knackered?
That's not worth that.
Would you be sending it out to a customer or would you put it in bin?
Scrap it. Send it in bin.
Go on, Pickles.
You see, you know that thing though, Mello?
Go on.
I can't go no higher than a 5, it's wrong colour. Wants to be orange. Wrong colour. Orange at best. What you need is
Tough.
a bright orange engine bay.
Tough crowd, this. Tough crowd. So I think it's fair to say that this silicon's not getting any more than a 6 or a 7. But for my first attempt, I'm pretty happy with that, to be fair. Like I said, if somebody wants this random silicon, I don't even know what size it is, 57 to 70 mil, maybe, comment below and we'll just pick someone at random to send it to you, free of charge. Does that end the video, Adam? Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.